belief that we really do have the worst kids, more worse kids than the rest of the state. Can you comment on how and why, this is for you, Andrew, the community mindset in Hillsborough County changed enough to allow more enlightened policies?
Take your time. Hillsborough County has been an outlier in the number of juveniles charged as adults for 16 years, which happened to be the tenure of my predecessor. I don't believe, from looking at the data, that the kids in Hillsborough are any worse than anywhere else in the state. I just believe that the system was set up, and for an entire generation we've been doing things so that can say we're tough on crime, as the judge said, without actually being smart on crime. How did that change? I don't know. I don't know how I got elected some days. I think the country was at a point, as I mentioned earlier in the introduction, where we're talking criminal justice reform, where people have embraced the idea to do things differently, that we've recognized the need to do things differently because there are problems in the system. And so once I was elected, we immediately started looking at the direct files, and I've heard the data, but it's nice to hear it from somebody else too, that we've now reduced direct files by some 35% in the first 9 months.
Someone has a question about